How to turn on road name labels on or off on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's use the left menu to open the navigation. From the navigation, let's use here the settings button located at the upper right corner. Choose here the map settings, the first section, then scroll down and here you can choose show road names. So this toggle controls the text overlays that run directly along the map's grid lines. Turning it off hides the text names of intersection side streets to keep the navigation view clean, while turning it on forces the system to label all streets, boulevards and avenues. So let me enable the road names. As you can see right now, you've got the all names on the map. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.